Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us live from CES in Las Vegas, Nevada, we have Chris Sedlacek. She's a Senior Director of Corporate Communications at Canon to discuss the collaboration, creativity, entertainment communication, all the great things that are happening at the Canon booth located in the Central Hall at the LVCC at CES. It is great to have you with us, Chris. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thank you so much, Jill. Thanks for having me.
And there's a lot of great stuff going on at your booth.
Oh,
Fill us in.
There definitely is. It's amazing. So I'll tell you a little bit about it. If you walk into the booth, you would be surprised to see we've built an actual log cabin on the floor of CES. I don't think any brand has ever done this before. We have pine trees. We really have this immersive experience, and it's all based on the film Knock at the Cabin, which was directed by M. Night Shyamalan. So we have a really, really cool experience this year at CES.
Yeah, it was a pretty cool activation. I kind of took some pictures around it as I was walking through the Central Hall. It's really a lot of fun in there. Let's talk about a unique partnership that was announced.
Yeah, so we decided to partner. Actually, it's a mutual partnership. Knight has been a huge Canon brand fan for many years and started his career, which he shared with us. So we started in the early part of the summer to talk about how we could leverage his film, Knock at the Cabin, that premieres February 2nd in a couple of weeks, and build a truly immersive movie experience for our brand fans and his fans as well. So using the film, I don't know if you've seen the two trailers that were released. It's a story about a family who goes on vacation in the woods, and they're faced with an impossible decision. So we haven't shared any of the spoilers, we haven't even been told any of the content, but the cabin, when you come into our booth, you will actually experience what the characters in the film went through. So there are some terrifying moments when there's a boom, 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 knock at the cabin door, and they're trying to keep the intruders out. So using Canon's M-Reel technology will allow you to actually feel and see what the characters in the film are experiencing. And you'll use M-Reel to move things in the cabin virtually, like block the door with the chair or take something off of the cabin wall. So it makes you feel as if you're really there.
It makes you wonder how much more technology can be built around what we currently have in 2023.
Exactly.
But as you look further out, do you think that we'll continue to build on these immersive VR types of experiences as film goers and consumers of entertainment?
Well, interesting you say that, because speaking with Knight, he was so gracious. He was at our press conference on Wednesday, and talking with him backstage, he was so excited about this whole experience that we've built, and he said, I wish we could take this whole cabin experience and bring it on the road with us, right, as we do our film premieres, because then moviegoers will actually get to see themselves in the film, experience things the cabin, the characters were experiencing, and get a different perspective. So it's more of a human touch when they're looking at a film, and they can really understand the really excitement and the suspense.
Yeah, so it sounds like filmmakers are just going to continue to build on this.
Yes,
is what it sounds
and
like.
we'd love to partner with Knight in the future, and see what this delivers.
All right, exciting. Imagine what we'll be talking about in 2033, Chris. So exciting. Thanks so much for joining us on Trade Talks.
Thank you so much,
And
Jill.
thanks for joining me at CES. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.